as you're watching this video, the year will kindly good to you and give you abundant life and prosperity. Saudi, why are you talking about 2025 and you still have Christmas decorations? No, this video film during the month of December 2025. If you are stopping by for the very first time, I welcome you. I welcome you. I usually say wish list. These are my dreams and my wish list. It's not about what you just going to think you are going to acquire. This is about what are the things I want to achieve for myself and my channel this year for 2025. So this is like a typical, this is not a typical luxury wish list that I usually done for the 2 years that I've been on this platform. This is a combination of what I want for myself, what I dream to, what are my dreams, what am I dreaming for this 2025. First thing first, when I'm talking about dreaming and what I wish, I'm dreaming and wishing to have an abundant, good health, good positive life, and prosperity. That is the number one thing that I wish, that I'm dreaming for 2025 in my life. Why do I dream for abundant life and positivity and good health? Without a good health, I will not even able to sit down and share and show you guys my video or my styling tips. Without positivity in my life, I will not able to be in a good spirit and able to interact not just with my family but people out there. You guys know how the devil is a liar, right? He comes in and brings sadness and negativity into your life. I am not dreaming for that. I am not wishing for that for anybody, talking about myself. So that is why I am wishing, I'm dreaming and praying to have a good positivity, wealth, love. Let's say hallelujah to that. And I'm hoping that dream that I wish for myself also goes to every one of you guys that are my viewers and my fashionistas, the ones that stick around, even the ones that are coming just for the very first time on this channel. Well, I have been on this YouTube sharing my fashion tips and ideas. We all share this beautiful ideas that we have as an individual. We put it on this platform. On this platform, I meet beautiful women around the world. Some of them are my besties. I look up to comments and just read their beautiful comments and put a smile on my face, just like I put a smile on their face as they watch my videos. Well, my dream for this year, I wish for my YouTube videos and my channel to continue to meet positive and empower women just like you guys all over the world that are watching my videos. That is my dream, and take this channel to another level and be positive for 2025. I dream for unity to continue as it has always been on my family, to continue for 2025. Those are my dreams. Now, let's dream of having luxury wish list. This year for 2025, I'm wishing to travel a lot. I'm dreaming to travel a lot. It's my other dream that I'm dreaming for. Why am I dreaming and wishing to travel a lot? Traveling is a part of education. That is how I see it. When I travel to each country or different continent, it's not just it opens my eyes to the world, but it also makes me learn and how other people live, respect their culture, understand their ways, and live together on this earth as human and unity. That is why I like to travel. Reading books in the classroom or learning a trade, it's not just the only education you can get for yourself. For me, as I continue to learn as my adult age, is to travel. When I travel, I learned a lot from other people. When I travel, I learned the ways the other people or nationality, their culture. I respect their culture. I learned from them. I know more about not just the culture, but the food, the people themselves, the land. That is how I love to travel. That is why when I travel, I don't just stay on tourist area. I like to go to the locals. That is how I learn the ways, their culture, and respect those people, which I always do respect every human being, and I'm training my son to be like that. So I'm wishing for 2025 to travel a lot and live life to the fullest. That is my dream and my wish. I'm wishing to continue to produce more content for you guys. Always good to wish and dream. When there is life, there is hope. Right? That is my wish. What are you wishing, or what are your New Year's resolutions? Let me know in that comment. Let's start chatting right now. If you stick around to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope as you're watching this video, the year will be kindly good to you and give you abundant life and prosperity. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and give this video a like. If you like it more, please share it. Please remember to stay blessed and above all, be fabulous as always. See you guys on my next video. Cha-cha. By the way, do you guys love this quote? Do you guys love? I love.